Welcome to Al Stock Trades. Chances are that if you're watching this video, you've realized that the Morningstar Key Financial Ratios is no longer available, not only for free members, but also it's not available for paying members. Morningstar stripped it away. Now, if you don't recall, this is how it used to look like. And, this was used by millions of investors around the world. And unfortunately, they literally stripped it. And even after all of the complaints that so many Morningstar customers talked to Morningstar about, they did not listen. Luckily, at allstocktrades.com, we went ahead and spent thousands of dollars developing this for retail investors. In fact, it's even better now, right? And this is going to be an investment to continue this for the next 20 to 25 years. And we took it upon ourselves to give retail investors back the data. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do this and how to get this data, and essentially how to use it. And it's really amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So all you got to do is go to open up the help menu in our proprietary brain machine software here, where you open up the help menu. You're going to get a whole bunch of buttons. This thing can do stock fundamentals, intrinsic value calculations, analyst price targets, Senate trading. But the biggest one of why we're here right now is master analysis. When you click on this, it says here, 10-year key financial data. Download key financial data in Excel format. You click this button, and we're going to go ahead and download Apple because it's a generic company that everyone knows about. It's going to go ahead and give you the Excel spreadsheet. All you have to do is download it and open it up. As soon as you open it up, there's a couple things that you can do here. The first thing I like to do is I like to change the width of the cells, maybe to 18. Now this is going, and then I'm going to go ahead and bold them and then middle justify them. Now, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you kind of what's in this. So obviously you have 10 years of information as well as the TTM, the symbol, the revenue, the gross profit ratios, the operating income ratios, the net income, the earnings per share, dividends, payout ratios, the shares, which you can convert into decimals, which is easier for you to read, the book value per share, the operating cash flow, capital expenditures, free cash flow, which is important for value investors, right? The free cash flow per share, which you can just kind of grate in this here to read it better, working capital, return on assets, return on equity, current ratio, quick ratio, interest coverage ratio, debt equity, price earnings, price book, and price to sales. Now, all this is available with any stock that you want, and we also have international usage as well. It just has to be a certain type of key you have to press. Now, the biggest thing and the value of this is you can essentially go in and just graph the free cash flow at hand by literally going here, inserting, and just graphing it. So you can graph the free cash flow to see if it's going in the right direction. Or better, you can go ahead and find the average free cash flow by just dragging it down, and you have the power of Excel to find the average free cash flow for the past 10 months. And you can use that and input it into whatever intrinsic value calculation that you're using. And for all of our members, you can use ours as well. So overall, if you want access to this data, you can find it here at allstocktrades.com in the green lion with the cellular signaling. It's the Al Stock Alerts platform. It's a monthly subscription. We do have lifetime memberships, but we offer way more than the 10-year financial data. But yet again, I understand people will just use it just for that necessity. We have been featured on Bloomberg, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, and Benzinga. We are a well-respected platform that is growing and that is assisting retail investors to thrive in the market. Now, what's interesting here and what I like to talk to you guys about, and I know it's unfortunate, and I'm really sad to say it, but somebody commented here a while back saying that, okay, so your post above and several more below is an ad to sell people something that did not have to cost before. Did not have a cost before. Nice. Unfortunately, it cost us a lot of developing hours, and the data costs money, and we have to pay the data every month to keep the lights on. So unfortunately, nothing's for free. And we have minimized the sale of this literally cheaper than Morningstar. We are actually $19.99 versus Morningstar's $30 a month. So we try our best to help retail investors thrive. Again, if you're interested, we are located at allstocktrades.com. You can find this in the link down below. I hope to see you on the platform, and happy and safe investing.